have a shadda, but because we're applying this assimilation, we effectively put another Meem Saakin into that Meem with the fatha. So then we effectively have a shadda there. We put a shadda to indicate that's happening. And essentially, instead of saying lahum, taking a pause and then saying maghfira, we now say lahum magh. So you're assimilating the two memes, effectively become one, and you're doing the ghunna. So that's assimilation. And again, the shadda has been put in there for the purpose of the idghaam. The next one, Ikhfaa, hiding the sound. So this happens when Meem Saakin is followed by the letter Ba. And again, we'll look at an example. So here we have Rabbahum bil ghaybi. Okay, and we'll look at the notes for this. So again, there's no assimilation actually taking place. However, this is the important bit. Close lips on the Meem Saakin and release with the next letter, i.e. there is no release on the Meem Saakin itself, always with a ghunna on the Meem Saakin. So instead of saying Rabbahum, taking a pause and then saying bil ghaybi, we say Rabbahum bil ghaybi. So you're closing your lips on the hum, applying the ghunna, and releasing the lips by saying the bil. So again, it's Rabbahum bil ghaybi. So that's the meaning of the hiding. And effectively, you're not releasing your lips on the Meem. Okay, the next one, Ifhar, clear pronunciation. If you have a Meem Saakin which is not followed by the Meem or the Ba, then you just recite as normal. So that's clear cut. Here's an example. So we have Ayyukum ahsanu. So we've got the Meem Saakin followed by the Hamza sitting on top of Alif. So you just read it as normal. Ayyukum ahsanu. So there's no ghunna, there's no assimilation going on, and there's no hiding. The last term, the Iqlaab, does not apply at all to Meem Saakin, and we've put it in here just so you know, because you'll come across the term Iqlaab in other lessons, but it doesn't apply to the Meem Saakin at all. So a quick summary then. If Meem Saakin is followed by Meem, we do Idghaam, which is assimilation of the sounds with Ghunna. If the Meem Saakin is followed by a Ba, we do Ikhfaa, which is hiding of the sound with Ghunna. If the Meem Saakin is not followed by either the Ba or the Meem, then we do Izhar, which is pronounced as normal with clear pronunciation. And the Iqlaab does not apply to Meem Saakin at all. So we do some analysis of these rules. So here's the first one. So this is Izhar, i.e. pronouncing clearly. So this Meem Saakin is pronounced clearly without a ghunna. Its length is 1 long. So here we have simply Sa'alahum khazanatuha. Okay, so the lahum is just pronounced clearly, and then we say khazanatuha. Okay. Now this line has actually got both Ikhfaa and Idghaam. There's a lot of notes underneath it which you can pause the video and read. However, if we look at the first one, you've got Rabbahum bil ghayb, and if you apply the Ikhfaa, remember it's going to be Ghunna, that's why it's in green. So you have Rabbahum bil ghaybi. So that's the Ikhfaa. And then we've got the next one is Idghaam, which is the assimilation. Lahum maghfira. Lahum maghfira. some more examples. The top line here is actually from the Majidi script. We've got an equivalent from an Uthmani script, and the color coding is different here. So it depends what Quran you're looking at for the color coding. So in our previous slide, the Ghunna was indicated by the green. Here they've actually got different colors for Ikhfaa and Idghaam. Okay, so they're the same examples, just slightly different color coding. Okay, and that's just to indicate to you, be careful with the color coding. What you really want to do is choose one Quran, which you get used to their color coding, and just stick to that. Otherwise you'll get confused between mushafs. So in conclusion then, we know what the meaning of the terms Izhar, Idghaam, Ikhfaa and Iqlaab are. We know how these terms apply to the letter Meem. We have analyzed a few examples from the Holy Quran. And please remember, this is only an elementary level explanation. So it covers the basics, it needs a lot of practice. And for these sort of things, it might help to sit with a Quran reciter who can sit and listen to you again. But as long as you understand the principles, that's what we're trying to get here.